Hi, I'm Celina, and in this episode I'm going to be showing you how to make Chia and Oat overnight puddings. On my channel Healthy Bug Rub, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare healthy and nutritious food for your baby from when they first start solids right through to family meals. I'll also be doing some day in the life of episodes so that you can follow me and my little girl on her food journey. If you've enjoyed today's video, please make sure that you hit that like button. And I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. It really is a great support and it helps me keep on making these videos for you, so thank you. As always, if you're concerned about allergies, please seek the advice of an appropriate healthcare professional. These puddings are super easy to make and they're nice and healthy. They're also great if you're wanting something that you can pre-prepare so that you've got breakfast ready to go the next morning. I find them really handy for that on the days that I've got to go to work because I can just grab them out of the fridge and they're ready to go. And they also make a really great snack too. Okay, let's get started. To make the base recipe, you'll need 150 ml of milk, a quarter of a cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and half a mashed banana. Add the ingredients to a small mixing bowl and stir until well combined. It's that simple. Now let's move on to flavours. For this pudding, I'll be using a raspberry, apple and pear puree that I made in a previous episode. If you'd like to learn how to make this, I'll link it on the screen and in the description below. I had some puree in the freezer, so I've just defrosted that and now I'm going to stir it through the mixture until well combined. Now it's ready to pour into a serving glass or a container and then cover so that it's airtight and ready for the fridge. So the pudding will thicken and set overnight, and then you can top it with some extra fruit and it's ready to serve. For this recipe, you will need honey and cinnamon to add to your base. I'm putting in a sprinkle of cinnamon and about a teaspoon of honey. You then want to stir until it's well combined. Keep in mind that any babies that are under 12 months should not have honey. Now it's ready to pour into your container and pop in the fridge to set overnight. Once set overnight, you can then top it with some fresh banana and it's ready to serve. For this recipe, you'll need powdered cacao and coconut cream. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of coconut cream and about 1 tablespoon of cacao to the base mixture and just stirring that through until it's really well combined. Next, pour into your glass or container, cover it and then pop it in the fridge to set overnight. When it's ready to serve, you can add some extra coconut cream or some shaved coconut if you wish. For the final pudding, we are doing mango and passion fruit. I used about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped mango and a couple of teaspoons worth of passion fruit pulp. Stir in the fruit, pop it into a glass or a container, cover it and then into the fridge overnight. I like to serve this one with some extra mango on top. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please feel free to leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. Thanks heaps for watching and I look forward to seeing you again. On my channel Healthy Bub Grub, I'll be showing you how to prepare healthy, nutritious. On my channel Healthy Bub Grub, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare